Hi everybody, welcome to Hancock Park's Virtual Experiences Discovery Stories. Today we are going to read a story about animals at home. So let's go ahead and learn about different animals and where they make their homes. What is your home like? Is it cozy and dry? Animal homes are all shapes and sizes. They keep animals and their babies safe and warm. So there's rabbits, a stork nest, a hermit crab shell, all kinds of different homes. Some animals build their own homes. Many animals make nests. Some use mud, twigs, and grass. Look, there's a weaver's nest, an ovenbird nest, and you can see who's peeking out, a woodpecker. Others peck holes in trees. They build their homes using only their beaks. Thousands of termites work together to build a home. Their mound is very strong and it can be very tall. Inside, the tunnels lead to many arch-shaped rooms. Look, this is what it would look like inside. All kinds of different chambers inside there. Paper wasps collect wood and chew it into a pulp. The wasps then use this pulp to make their nest. The queen wasp lays her eggs inside the nest's six-sided cells. Have you ever seen a paper wasp's nest? Usually you see it looking like this on the outside, but if you open it up on the inside, you can see all the things that look like little honeycombs in there. Some animals burrow under the ground. Moles dig their tunnels using their sharp front claws. They push the soil away, making hills above the ground. They eat the worms and the insects that fall into their tunnels. So again, we see what's going on above ground, but look at all that's going on underneath. Beavers build their homes by weaving sticks together with their feet. Their large homes are called lodges. The beavers get in and out of the lodge through underwater entrance. So when you see that, it looks like just like a mound there. But their entrance is actually under the water, and they swim underneath and swim up to get into their little home. Some animals live in shells. Tortoises and snails can curl up inside their shells. The shells get bigger as the animals grow. What a neat way to take your home with you. Some insects, like silk moths, make their own silk threads. They weave the silk around themselves to make cocoons. Their homes keep them safe as they change shape and grow wings. So they start like this, weave the silk around, and then they hatch out. Spiders can make silk too. They use it to make their homes. Some spiders make webs. They eat the insects that get stuck to the strong, sticky silk. Other spiders spin silk-lined burrows with a hidden trapdoor. That's pretty cool to have a trapdoor spider. Honeybees make beeswax in their bodies. They use it to make their beehive. There are many six-sided cells inside the hive. Honey is stored in some cells, and the bees' young live in other cells. So remember we saw the paper wasps on an earlier page? They chew wood to make their little combs inside there. Honeybees use the wax to make theirs. Piles of leaves, rotting logs, and compost heaps may not seem like a good place to make a home, but many small animals feed and live in these warm, damp places. Look who's hiding here. A hedgehog, a beetle, an ant, a toad. All love those as homes. Starfish, crabs, and some small fish make their homes in tide pools. They live in the water that collects between the rocks on the seashore. Shellfish and anemones cling to the rocks. Have you ever been to a tide pool? Now trees are home for many animals. Birds make their nests in branches. Squirrels build homes called drays in the tree trunks. Right in there, little tiny one. Insects live in the bark or in the leaves. Badgers even build their burrows called sets among the roots. All parts of the tree could be home for different animals. Now, we're not the only ones who might live in our dry, cozy houses. Bats may sleep in the attic. Tiny bugs may live in the carpets and the furniture. We all want a warm home with food nearby. So, go ahead and learn about some animal homes. So a lot of animal homes right now are hidden under that snow, but as the weather warms up and that snow starts to melt, go ahead and see what you can find for different animal homes. Now, remember, Wednesday is our Way Back Wednesday, so join us at the McInnes house. Bye, everybody.